In today's video, I will be making my friend the best 3D printed gift for him. And if you watch the video all the way to the end, you'll be able to find out how you can get your very own. Now before you start heckling me in the comments saying, Fred, it's January and Christmas is over, just remember, I don't care. Now to preface, my friend is Tyson, and he has started his own channel called Citizen Science. Him and I are both trying to grow our channels simultaneously. One tool that I have built is my very own subscriber counter, and I have to say, it is great. It helps me stay focused and gamifies the process. Also, I get to see when every one of you joins the crew by smashing the subscribe button. Talking about smashing the subscribe button, I want to thank everyone who has joined in the last week. I was amazed to see my subscribers jump from 35 to almost 100 in just 4 days. I also want to thank you for all the nice comments and to thank anyone who joins in the near future. Now back to the video. So over the last few weeks, I have learned how to 3D model, how to connect devices to an ESP32, and how to build it all together. Now it hasn't been easy. I have made many renditions of the case, struggled for hours figuring out what pin goes where and how to program it all. But at last, when it was all put together, we have a beautiful working product, and it even has his channel name on it. So now that the gift is ready, the last thing I need to do is to give it to him. And this is his reaction.
Oh my gosh. Is this what I think it is?
Yes. What do you think it is?
Well, that's what you got. You got the subscriber counter, right?
Yes. Yeah. So I made you a subscriber counter.
Oh, so cool.
And then
it has my logo, my channel name on it too. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Tyson, I have a question for you. How'd you like the product?
10 out of 10 would recommend. Definitely get yourself one of these YouTube subscriber counters.
And how easy was the setup?
Super easy. You just got to do a few things with the internet and you're golden.
Now to answer the question you're probably wondering, Fred, how do I get my own? The answer is simple. On my Etsy account, Simply Easy, you can purchase one pre-built for yourself. It is super easy to set up. All you need to do is follow the instructions I attach in the order. Any proceeds from the purchases will be put straight back into the channel to make better videos. Link will be in the description. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer, I will also be making a full video on how to make your own just like this in the future, so stay tuned. Talking about content you should watch, why don't you check out my other video here? And whilst you're at it, feel free to join us by smashing the subscribe button. See you next time!